おはよう。
この男、生まれも育ちもカナダ。
おはよ
どんな縁あってか、この日本人女性と結婚。これは彼の祖母から伝わる秘伝のレシピ。
小麦粉 180g、カスタードパウダー 60g、ベーキングパウダー小さじ1、little bit of salt、粉物だけ先に混ぜます。卵3つ、サラダ油大さじ1/2、牛乳 500ml、混ぜます。2、3回に分けて混ぜます。
That looks good.
Perfecto.
Yeah, thin is good.
It's crunchy. Oh, nice flip.
Oh, it smells so good. The custard makes a big difference.
Yeah.
This is like a custard that you have to get from like a Dutch food store, and it makes a difference.
Smells different.
Yeah. Actually, you could just go to a Dutch food store and you could probably just buy straight pancake mix there. That's probably has that already mixed in, but it's probably cheaper to make yourself with flour and stuff.
Yeah.
Most people call this stroop. Oh, can I have some stroop? And I cringe. It's stroop.
Stroop?
Yeah. And basically it's like really thick syrup.
What made of?
Sugar. Probably a lot of sugar. Yeah, it's pretty close to molasses probably. You can see how thick it is.
Ooh.
I love it. Yuka doesn't like it that much.
I tried a little bit and it just tastes like Japanese kokto, like black sugar.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just sweet.
And then also people will call it a pancake. Oh, can I have a pancake? It's pannenkoeken.
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 In Dutch, yeah?
Yeah.
Pannenkoeken.
I grew up in a Dutch family, so.
On your birthday, you ask your mom to make the pancake for the dinner, right?
Totally. Yeah.
So weird.
So weird, but so well. For your birthday, you can just ask for any food. I mean, maybe a lot of people would ask for like pizza or something. In our family, they're like, oh yeah, I want pannenkoeken. Just take a little bit. Stroke. There's lots of ways to do this actually. But my dad would just put it all over the whole thing. And I'm just gonna roll it. And then you take your fork, just roll it. Now we have
Pannenkoeken.
pannenkoek. Pannenkoeken is plural.
Yeah?
And pannenkoek is singular.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pannenkoek.
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 Enjoy! Bon appetit! そしてもちろんチョコバナナ。Nutella?
Oh yeah, that's a good combo.
Yeah. And banana. Oh, and in my case, I just fold and fold and fold. Easy. Okay, this time I'm gonna put this fat bacon.
Oh, I wonder if you should put the bacon in first and then you put the batter on top. I don't know.
Bacon first was better. Perfect.
I love the stroke so much.
いただきます。パンケーキとベーコンの組み合わせってどうなんですかね？Like we don't mix with pancake with bacon.
Oh.
For Japanese, pancake is dessert. But for Dutch people, the pancake is like rice.
Yeah.
Good work.
Looks nice, yeah.
Yeah. So this is Eric's grandma's secret recipe.
And now you're putting it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Did you record exactly all the steps?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Supposed to be. Don't get upset, Grandma. I never met her though.
Yeah, she might not even know what YouTube is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I hope she's looking though.
I think I might be gone longer than a week, baby.
That's my birthday! It's my birthday! We're almost finishing the butter.
Oh,
Oh. You guys have to tell us if we are getting really, really, really fat.